Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, good to see you again, or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, the channel where we talk in real, everyday American English, slowly and clearly, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
We post long conversations regularly, so you can listen while drinking coffee, walking, driving, or doing chores. Just press play and let English flow.
Listening often is the secret to improving fast, so please hit that red subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a new episode.
Exactly. Turn on notifications and let's grow together. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we're talking about something fun, movies and TV shows from 2020 and later. Some are really good, some not so good. Neo, you watch a lot, right?
Yes, I love movies and shows. Today, we'll describe plots, say why we like or dislike them, share funny memories, and maybe even some lessons from them.
Perfect. Let's start with movies. What's a good one from 2020 or later that you remember?
Oh, Soul from 2020, Pixar. Jazz musician named Joe dies. His soul goes to the great before, meets 22, learns about life. Music amazing, story touching.
I watched it during the pandemic. Felt like a warm hug. I laughed when Joe's soul tried to jump into a cat.
Yes, voice actors perfect. Jamie Foxx, Tina Fey, teaches words like soul, passion, purpose. Even beginners can follow.
Bad one?
Wonder Woman 1984. Confusing plot. I watched with my sister. Every 5 minutes we asked, wait, what's happening?
I laughed at the 80s costumes. Music was fun, but the ending was silly. Effects, not great. My neighbor called me to explain the story.
I know that feeling.
2021. Good movie. Dune, Part 1. Epic sci-fi. Paul Atreides goes to Arrakis for spice. Timothy Chalamet. Zendaya. Huge sandworms. Amazing visuals.
I jumped in theater during the first sandworm scene. Sound so loud, felt like it shook the room. Learned words desert, empire, prophecy.
Bad one? Eternals. Too long, many characters. I tried twice, stopped. Angelina Jolie good, story confusing.
I fell asleep halfway. Friends joked, are we still on Earth?
TV now. Good, The Queen's Gambit, Netflix 2020. Beth becomes chess champion. Short, 7 episodes. Fashion from the 60s is cool. Learned words like checkmate, orphan, and tournament.
I tried chess after, lost every game to my brother. Funny, but learned patience.
Bad, Ratched 2020. Violent, plot weird. Stopped after 2 episodes.
I hid behind a pillow, learned word bloodbath.
2022, good. Top Gun Maverick. Tom Cruise, real flying scenes. Exciting and emotional. My dad loved original 1986. We watched together. He cried a little.
Bad, Pinocchio, live action. Tom Hanks good, CGI fake, not magical.
2021 TV, Squid Game. Korean, thrilling. English dub for learners. Words, survival, debt, and game. Remember Party? We played safe red light, green light, and laughed a lot.
Bad show, Space Force 2020, Steve Carell. Funny idea, jokes flat, boring overall.
2023 movie, Oppenheimer. Long, gripping, Oscars. Learned history words. Friends discussed for hours after.
Bad, The Flash 2023, confusing multiverse, poor effects.
TV, good. Succession, 2020 through 2023. Rich family fights, smart writing, dark humor. Words, inheritance, CEO, betrayal.
Binge watched all, predicted wrong ending, shocked.
Bad, The Idol, 2023, HBO. Pop star, explicit, poor story. Canceled after 1 season.
2024 movie Good, Dune Part 2. More action, deeper story. Timothy, Austin Butler, great. Sandworms, Halloween costume fun.
Bad, Joker Fully Ado, 2024 musical sequel. Slow, not funny. Box office low.
TV, The Last of Us 2023. Zombie apocalypse, emotional, scary, great effects. Words infection, survival, journey.
Bad, Secret Invasion, Marvel 2023. Spy, boring.
2025, Inside Out 2 2024 release. Emotions in a teen's head. Funny, relatable, kids and adults loved.
My niece quoted it all summer. Bad, Borderlands 2024, Netflix, based on game, 10% rating.
Poor adaptation.
Roleplay, you recommend a show to me.
Okay.
Severance 2022, workers' minds split between work and home, mystery thriller.
Sounds cool. Why good?
Twists, acting great. Words, severance, office, memory.
Bad one?
Bad, Uglies 2024, Netflix. Everyone's surgically made pretty. Book better, movie flat.
Heard. More good TV. Alien Earth 2025. Sci-fi horror. Aliens on Earth. Tense. Words alien, invasion, survival.
Bad, Winnie the Pooh, Blood and Honey 2023. Terrible, 3%.
Public domain mess. Laughed a lot.
Memories, Barbie 2023. Margot Robbie, Real World, Pink everywhere. Friends went pink too. Theater full of pink.
Iconic.
Bad, Madam Web 2024. Spider-Woman origin. Dakota Johnson. Confusing, bad dialogue.
TV good. Pluribus 2025. Politics drama. High ratings.
Good 2025, Mickey 17, sci-fi, Bong Joon-ho, Robert Pattinson clones, mind-bending.
Bad, Tron Eris. Some say average.
Another good, The Wild Robot 2024, animated, robot on an island, heartwarming, friendship, adaptation.
So many shows and movies. Perfect 60-minute chat.
That was today's conversation about movies and TV shows from 2020 onwards.
Question for you.
Have you watched any of these movies or shows?
Or what is your favorite or least favorite from 2020 to now?
Tell us in the comments what made it good or bad for you. Write in English.
We read every comment and reply to many.
If this helped, please subscribe to English Coffee Time.
Stay with us. Practice regularly. Little steps every day lead to big progress.
See you next time.
Right here on English Coffee Time.